All right, welcome to week 8. I'm Dave.
I'm Ed.
So this is the week before spring break. As you can tell, Ed and I have been working diligently on our tans, and because we'll be in tropical places next week. But the students are not in class. They're preparing their informative speeches, but more importantly, we are going to be presenting for a very important person here on campus.
That's right. We have the honor this week of presenting to Larry Burns and his staff about the work we do with Celio and the work we do in the Apple Project.
So let's check out some highlights over there.
The order that it should come up in. But really how we use iTunes U in the course is, it's the place where content is stored so the students can bring up the material and view it right there. We have a lot of video public speaking course, and I'm coming from a theater background. And so I do a lot of elocution work with the students. We do a lot of tongue twisters, we do a lot of breathing exercises. I really do things to get them out of their shell, because in my opinion a lot of
students have been really receptive to it and are willing to be filmed, and it's really fascinating to chart learning by filming him from week to week, right? And it's good for him to be able to see that. And another way that we use video is when we actually film the speeches, we give the students their feedback right there in class, and then they can go back to the video and really see what it is we're talking about when we analyze.
So they can analyze themselves.
I pluck mother pheasants.
I pluck mother pheasants.
I'm the most pleasant mother pheasant plucker.
I am the most pleasant mother pheasant plucker
that ever plucked a mother pheasant.
that ever plucked a mother pheasant.
Let's put it together a little more.
Really?
Yes. I'm a mother pheasant plucker. I pluck mother pheasants.
I'm a mother pheasant plucker. I pluck mother pheasants.
I'm the most pleasant mother pheasant plucker that ever plucked a mother pheasant.
I'm the most pleasant mother that ever plucked.
Well, first of all, appreciate you being there. We have a weekly leadership meeting in external affairs. And number one, we want to make sure that we're aware of what our faculty are doing as it relates to iTunes U and becoming a real leader in this type of learning, the flipped classroom and things of that nature. And also your expertise in radio and speaking, as well as Ed's expertise in theater. You combine all those things, and it was just a fascinating discussion about what you're doing, and your students look so engaged, and I'm sure it's a terrific experience for them.
Ed and I want to thank Larry Burns and his leadership team. We hope everyone has a great spring break, and we hope to see you in week number 9.